This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at ScienceBasedLearning.com.
Spanish object pronouns in commands, a detailed guide. Learn the essential rules for object pronouns in Spanish commands. Explore affirmative and negative commands, with examples and exceptions for clarity. Understanding object pronouns in Spanish commands. When learning Spanish, one of the nuances that can be challenging for English speakers is the use of object pronouns, particularly in command forms. This lesson explores the rule stating that object pronouns precede negative commands and attach to the end of affirmative ones, providing a clearer understanding of its application and exceptions. In Spanish, commands are a critical component of everyday conversation, requiring accurate use to convey respect, urgency, and other subtle meanings. Mastering the use of object pronouns in commands is essential for fluent communication. Affirmative commands. In Spanish, affirmative commands compel someone to perform an action. When an object pronoun is involved, it is attached to the end of the verb. This creates a single word, often requiring an accent to maintain proper stress. Eat the sandwich, il pues cómete el sándwich. Pass it to me, il co pásamelo. Write it down, il po escríbelo. Notice how each verb integrates an object pronoun to become seamless with the command. The placement of pronouns in this position emphasizes the action directly affecting the object. Negative commands. Conversely, negative commands instruct someone not to perform an action. In this form, object pronouns precede the verb. This reversal is crucial and emphasizes the negation by placing the pronoun up front. Don't eat the sandwich y no te lo comas. Don't tell me that y no me lo digas. Don't write it y no lo escribas. The structure of negative commands highlights the prohibition, with the pronoun's initial placement underscoring the importance of the object and the action being negated. Exceptions and special cases. Some exceptions occur within irregular verbs, particularly in affirmative commands where the verb form can change drastically, such as decir becoming di, tell. Additionally, with reflexive verbs, the pronoun becomes part of the action in both affirmative and negative scenarios. Get up, affirmative, levántate. Don't get up, negative, y no te levantes. Understanding and anticipating these exceptions aids in the correct application of this rule and ensures more natural Spanish communication. Practice and application. To reinforce this concept, practice integrating pronouns with both affirmative and negative commands. Such exercises can help solidify understanding, particularly as you encounter more irregular command forms. For comprehensive and research-backed learning materials, explore ScienceBasedLearning.com. This resource provides in-depth content that supports effective language acquisition. Consider obtaining a detailed guide to delve further into this topic. An online repository like Science-Based Learning can be instrumental in expanding your understanding. Get your copy of this expansive resource and enhance your command of object pronouns in Spanish.